So, how did earning the PMP certification anchor your sense of purpose during your transition?
I think in the sense that it tailored what I was trying to do. Even within project management, right? If you just say, I want to be a project manager, that has a ton of different definitions or connotations depending on where you're at, what industry you're in, many things. PMP can mean nothing. And, especially if you start to get into like software development, I know, yes, PMI is trying to get into the agile space a little bit more, but SAFe or Scrum, those are going to be much more practical or useful in that sense. And so I think having the PMP allowed me to narrow my focus of what I was actually trying to do. I wasn't trying to do project management. I was trying to do a kind of project management, a certain kind of structure, not even necessarily pure waterfall, right? Because it could be a hybrid, but a structured approach following a set of governance it's not just the project manager that's just jumping in and getting it done, right? I liked, probably due to my military background, I liked the structure and the clarity that PMI provides, right? If A, then B. I think that's comforting to folks that have been in the military, and I think it helps us to better define what we're really looking for as we transition into the civilian world from not just a job, but from the kind of work that we want to do.